The war in West Asia is shaking the global oil market. Iran's powerful military wing has issued a stark warning. Rein in the US and Israel or brace for $200 oil. Energy markets are already rattling. Prices are swinging widely within hours. Prices of Brent crude fell to $85 a barrel after Trump said the war was pretty much over. But then they rose again, and the world economy is feeling shockwaves. Listen in.
The bombs are falling on the battlefield. West Asia is ablaze. The tremors are felt in global markets. Traders are watching every missile launch, every strike, every threat. Because the next target in this war may not just be a military base, but the global energy supply. As fighting intensifies, Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps issues a blunt warning to Gulf states. Control Washington and Tel Aviv or prepare for oil prices soaring to $200 a barrel. It is not an empty threat. West Asia sits at the heart of the world's energy arteries. Tankers move through narrow sea lanes. Pipelines stretch across fragile terrain. The raging war is already making the markets jittery. In the past 24 hours alone, the benchmark Brent crude oil price surged dramatically, climbing to around $119 per barrel as fears of disruption gripped traders. Then came another sharp twist. Prices stabilized to nearly $100 within hours, a swing of more than $15 in a single day, a sign of extreme volatility. Analysts say such violent movements usually signal panic in the market.
For countries in East Asia, except for Malaysia and Indonesia, everybody else is a net importer of oil, and that will create inflationary pressure, and also, of course, that will bring on economic damage, and certainly economic growth will slow and the inflation will pick up.
Iran's warning appears aimed directly at Gulf governments that host American military bases and maintain close ties with Washington. The message pressured the United States and Israel to stop the war, or the region's energy lifeline could become the next battlefield. For now, the missiles and drones continue to fly. But in trading rooms from London to Singapore, the focus is already shifting. Because if oil truly climbs towards $200 a barrel, the economic shock could spread far beyond the war zone. And this conflict would no longer be just a regional war. It would become a global economic crisis. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.